talk about Sunrise Woods. Yes, this is the Wallflower, and I also have the body care, the scrub, as well as the shower gel and the fine fragrance mist. But we're not going to talk about those just yet, maybe in another video. I just really want to talk about the Wallflower. As you do see the scent notes, the sandalwood, the sweet berries, and cozy cashmere. Of course, I have it inside of my diffuser because I just love using my Wallflowers like this. When I tell you this is so good. I am really enjoying this Sunrise Woods. Oh my gosh. The scent kind of remind me a little bit of Bonfire Bash. Kind of sort of like in that family, but not quite Bonfire Bash, because I think Bonfire Bash is really heavy on the vanilla. This is very heavy on like that cashmere. Oh, so good. Creamy. It also puts me in mind of Killian Angel Share. If you've ever smelled that scent, it kind of reminds me of that. Also today I smelled the Cozy Vanilla. I think that's the name of it. It kind of puts me in that type of family. So if you are the type that loves those soft, creamy, vanilla-like, cozy scents, you will love this. You will love this. And y'all, I've been having this stuff. I've been having this for a while now, and as you see, I haven't really used a lot. I've never used the body scrub, and this is still basically wrapped, still has plastic on it actually. So I've never used this, so I had no idea how good this scent is or was until I got the Wallflower. I do believe the 3-wick candle will be out very soon. I'm not sure when. I'm not for sure if the body care portion is gonna come out, but I highly suggest you grab this scent. Of course, it's not a new scent. Also, this scent comes in a room spray. When they had that room spray sale a couple of weeks ago, probably about a month ago now, I was not able to grab the room spray. I actually didn't buy anything from that sale, and I wanted this scent so bad, but for some reason I just never went to get it. But like I said, you really get that cozy cashmere scent. It's such a creamy scent, and that could be from the sandalwood. You know, I also smelled that sweetness from the berries. This is spot on. Like I said again, if you love those cozy scents, this is right up your alley. It is so good. So good. And like I said, this has that berry note, but it's not super sweet. I feel like it's more on the cashmere and more on that sandalwood, more of a creamy, warm type of scent. Like I said, it most definitely has that sweetness, that berryness, but not like a candy berry. It doesn't give you that overpowered fruity type of scent. You don't get that with this. It's more of a sandalwood, cashmere forward scent. But I'm sure all of y'all already smelled this scent already because like I said, it's been out for a little bit. But I'm just getting in tune with it, y'all. So leave in the comments, what do you think about this Sunrise Woods? Is it one of your favorites when it comes to the cozy scents? You know, for as the scents that you like to cuddle up with, get a blanket and just vibe out. Is this one of those scents? For me, this scent is really nice when like I'm planning my schedule, you know, when I'm just sitting chilling, if I'm watching a movie. That's what this scent is. It's not like a, you know, let's have a drink or date night. It could be, don't get me wrong, it could be that type of scent, but for me, this is one of those cozy, you know, it's kind of cold outside. I got my blanket. We're gonna look at a nice movie. I mean, I guess it could be like a date night, but I do like this scent, and I most definitely gotta get more. I do feel like it's backup worthy. I'm gonna start trying the body care so I could really get in tune to what it smells like in body care. And also, this is Sensational. I think I got this from Walmart, I believe. I used one of them. Now, this scent is very similar to it, but this one is more vanilla heavy. So if you've tried this Tonka and Oud, then it's kind of sort of like that, but not really like that. It could be in that same cozy family, but it's not a dupe at all. But I do feel like if you wanted the diffuser going and then you wanted to do a wax melt, I do feel like these would be really, really good to blend together. Yes, because this one gives you that same cozy vibe, but it's more of a vanilla, warm vanilla. Again, almost like Bonfire Bash or Killian's Angel Share perfume. It's in that type of family without the boozy part, that warmness that those two scents give. So yeah, so I'm enjoying it, would recommend it, gonna buy backups. I don't know if it's hoard worthy, but it's most definitely backup worthy. And as y'all do see, I did do the Wallflower hack because y'all know that's just what I do. And I've used this maybe 4 times. And as you see, I still have a whole lot left. So yeah, I absolutely love doing the Wallflower hack on my wallflowers. But don't get me wrong, it's not for everybody. So if you have some concerns, then I just suggest that you don't do it. You know, but for as me, I love using my wallflowers like this. And it's a winner. It's a winner for me. So leave in the comments. Let me know, what do you think about Sunrise Woods? Do you have this in your collection? Is the body care just as good as the Wallflower? Leave that in the comments. Shout out to all my MVP riders. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for always holding me down. Please subscribe, thumbs up, comments, follow me on all of my social media platforms, hit the notification bell, and I'll see y'all in the next one. All right, peace.